Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. In today's lecture, we will continue with Unit 1, All About Me. Today, we will meet Adam's family and learn about vowels and consonants. So, open up page number 6 and let's get started. In the previous lecture, we met Adam. So, today let's meet his family. On page number 6, Adam first introduces his father. So, let's meet him.
This is my father. His name is Abdullah. He is a doctor. His favorite color is red. He plays basketball with me and my friends in the park.
Now, let's meet his mother.
This is my mother. Her name is Sarah. She is a teacher. Her favorite color is orange. She makes yummy food for me.
Now, let's come to page number 7 and meet his brother.
This is my brother Hassan. He is 10 years old. He is in grade 5. His favorite color is blue. He likes reading and drawing. His favorite fruit is apple.
Now, the last member of the family, his sister.
This is my sister Amina. She is 4 years old. She likes to collect umbrellas. She also likes to play with Fluffy. I really like to take care of my little sister.
Okay, so in the text you saw that there were some highlighted letters in blue. Can you tell which those letters are? Yes, A, E, I, O and U. These letters are called vowels and all the other letters other than the vowels are called consonants. Now let us do an activity. Write the name of your parents. Count all the consonants in their names. For example, my mother's name is Zainab. And in Zainab, there are 3 consonants, Z, N, and B. Now you also write your father's and mother's name and count the consonants in them.